Welcome to BIMTech Coders. My name is Evelyn Nomeyo. Before we start, I would like you to quickly subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to get notification whenever I upload a tutorial. So today I will be showing you the project that you will be completing this session. So here's what you have on the screen is a blog of a person. I will take you through this process, how this website was designed. And while we're doing that, you will be creating your own personal project as well. All right. So I want to believe this will take us till the end of the month. And the things that we'll need basically to help us complete this are things that you've already started learning. But I'm going to introduce something new today, which is Marvel app. Marvel app basically will help you create the prototype. What I mean by prototype is like the structure when you are creating. Say, take for example, you are designing a house or you're building a house. You need to create the structure first. Okay, so we're going to start off with creating the structure or the prototype. The prototype. It's not like that's where it's not a website, but it's so similar to the website. It helps you put your thoughts together. It helps you organize yourself together so that when we're now actually building it or actually coding it, we won't be bothered with how do we want the design to look like. So we create the design first. And what tool are we going to use? We're going to use Marvel app. Marvel app is a tool is a prototype tool for creating structure of a website or even an app. If you want to design an app, you can use it as well. So we are going to be using the following things: Marvel app, HTML, CSS, and I will introduce Bootstrap. Bootstrap is some sort of application that you introduce into your CSS, or it's more like a CSS as well, but there's some codes already created, or all you need to do is to apply it to your design. Okay, so we'll be learning CSS and at the same time making use of Bootstrap to help boost our CSS. I guess that's why it's called Bootstrap, and of course JavaScript. All right, so I want you to head on to marvelapp.com. I think. So that's Marvel app. So I suggest you quickly just jump into Marvel app and create an account. I can actually show you some stuff that I have there and some of my projects. I hope I'll be able to log in just to give you an idea. So this is where you normally will start. So basically, this is just to give you an idea of Marvel app. So there's an app that I'm currently creating with my team, a couple of girls. Let me give you an idea of how it is. So these are some projects. I'm going to play it for you to take a look at now. So this is an app we're creating. So in other words, what I want you to do basically is to create the structure of your website in Marvel app. All right. Create the structure of your website in Marvel app before we start coding. All right. So this is just to give you an idea of how it's like. Okay. So let me move on to our project. So just take a look at it. Just take a look at it. So we're going to have some menu up here. These are social media icons. And this is introducing the owner of the website. You can subscribe. You can see it has a right side banner and a left side banner as well. You can see it has some other sort of sections that will learn how to create. It also have its own footer as well. So these are the sort of stuff that we're going to be creating. So your task today basically is very simple. I want you to go design or sketch the design of your own website. You probably want to make use of a paper first before we jump into Marvel app. Create your app, create your website using a pen and a paper or a pencil and a paper. Get inspiration from other sites. Go online. Google some other beautiful sites, okay? If you like, just to give you an idea. But this is what I will be teaching you what you'll be doing, So at the end of today, where if possible, please share this on our platform this evening. You're going to be creating your own personal website. Just repeating that again. So the next video I'm going to be focusing on is to create your prototype. Create a prototype of your website using Marvel app. I'm really excited to see your design. So I'll be talking to you soon. Take care. Bye bye for now.